Hi, I'm Glenn with Black Coffee Review, and happy 2021. And to ring in the new year, we're going to try our manual grinder again. In this case, we're going to go with a Community Coffee whole bean signature blend dark roast. And went ahead and mixed it up and added some cinnamon sprigs to it. And so we'll just make a real quick grind of it here. Let me just show you here. And we're just going to make enough for a pot of coffee. Almost there. Okay, so it's ground. We know because don't hear it grinding anymore. So we'll go and make a pot real quick. And I pre-measured it, so whatever I ground here is exactly what I want to go and brew. Okay, so I got it in the coffee maker. Last time we did it in a French press. This time we're just going to do it in the coffee maker here. And again, it's Community Coffee whole bean signature blend dark roast. And we added a little cinnamon to it. And we'll probably have some Breakfast of Champions, in this case, little fudge brownie, little Debbie fudge brownie cake. All right, more to come as this thing brews. Okay, it's done. I can smell the cinnamon. It's got a really, really dark smell to it. It says dark roast, and it's traditional with Community Coffee. It's pretty strong coffee. Oh, that's good. That's good. All right, well, manual ground cinnamon sticks, just a little sprig of it, and enough to give a little extra, little mix it up here in 2021. So hopefully we'll have some more of these different blends, and maybe might suggest a few coffee mixes as well. I do have some vanilla bean right here. I'm still trying to figure out how or which I'm going to add to that. But anyways, Breakfast of Champions right there. All right, next time, have a good 2021.